Here's how to fix lag and stuttering in Path of Exile 2. First thing that you need to do on your Path of Exile 2 game, go ahead and click on the options. And then once you're ready on the option settings, what you need to do is to make sure that the adaptive default is already on. Once you already make sure that the adaptive default is already on, the next thing that you are going to make sure is that the dynamic resolution is also turned on. So you have to check on the circle box so that it has the dynamic resolution and can scale down when there is a lot of action on the screen in order to maintain your screen. Next is make sure that the advanced settings on default is under 240 and 30 on the FPS cap, both foreground and background. And the last thing that you are going to do is to make sure that the detail settings are on these settings. And that is how you fix the lag and stuttering on Path of Exile 2 game.